Hey, good morning, guys. This morning I'm going to be showing you how to anchor down a carport. So here's the carport. It is in South Dakota and the winds are high. Right now the client just has sandbags sitting on it, but he wants it anchored down with concrete posts. You can see the client already has had his underground stuff marked so that I'm not in danger of hitting anything. And the carport right now is sitting about 2 feet to the left of where the client wants it eventually, which is nice because that leaves room for me to dig down 2 feet on the inside, 2 feet on the outside on the other side, pour my concrete, secure my anchors, and then scoot the carport over and land it right where the client wants it. So this project is a little interesting because the client provided 2 different types of anchors, and either one of these I think would work to secure the carport, but he actually wants me to use both. The first one, I think they call this a duckbill anchor, and I've actually never seen it before, but the idea is that you use this rod inside the anchor to drive it down into the ground, and then the point of it should kick it over to some degree so that it doesn't pull out again, and you're able to then have the cable come up out of the ground, loop over, and anchor like that onto the carport. The other one is a more typical like mobile home style earth anchor that you screw in. But what I'm going to be doing is digging a hole deep enough for this screw-in anchor, set it in the hole, and then put the duckbill one next to it, pour concrete around it, and then loop up out of the ground and have the cable go through the eye of the ground anchor and around the carport base and secure it that way. So we'll have both the duckbill, or whatever this is called, and the screw ground anchor securing this cable. The most labor-intensive part of this job is going to be simply digging the holes for the concrete to go in. And I've already dug one. There she is. And it went really easy. I used a post hole digger and a digging bar, and it worked out really well. It's deep enough for my whole screw anchor. So let's get busy with the next hole. You know what, guys? God is good all the time, and sometimes he's kind enough to let you dig a hole that easy. Don't want to take it for granted that I didn't run into rock on that one. And I'm done digging those holes. That's a big deal, because a hole can be easy or a hole can be a nightmare. And all 4 of these holes went really well. Side note, and I know this will interest you all, thrill and just awe every viewer, and that is, I just dug these holes. They are approximately 6 inches in diameter, about 30 inches deep. Do you know how much dirt is in a hole 6 inches in diameter and 30 inches deep? I'll let you know at the end of the video. Do the math, guys. I am filling these holes with Quikrete, or a Quikrete equivalent. You'll want to follow the instructions on your bag of Quikrete. This particular one uses just a little over half a gallon of water per bag, and it should only take about a bag to fill a hole, so I'm just going to do 1 bag at a time. Okay, here we are. We got 2 anchors in the ground. The dirt will about be flush with the bottom of this eye, and that'll be a great place for this cable to be secured around the base of the carport. Alright, as you just saw, I walked the carport over to its final position. There's enough room to walk between the house and the carport over here, between the fence and the carport over here, and we landed at all 4 points right next to our anchor. All that is left to do is to loop this cable under here through the eye of the red mobile home anchor. So I have a loop, and then secure the two cables together right here with this fastener. That's not going anywhere. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We got this carport anchored down. If you attempt the same project, then I wish you as easy of holes as I just enjoyed. And for those of you who have to dynamite your way down, have fun. Hey, like and subscribe if this was helpful. For the moment you've all been waiting for, how much dirt is in that hole? Well, the answer is 0. There's no dirt in any hole of any dimensions. I know. And so if you're one of those who did the math, I apologize you had to go through the effort, but that is how much concrete you need to put back into the hole. So your work was not totally in vain. Talk to you later, bye.